Hi, today we are going to discuss how to secure your WordPress website. Actually, threats are everywhere on the internet, and the WordPress is mostly used platform for building the websites, for running the websites. So it is more favorable for hackers or intruders. Today I am going to teach you how to get rid of from these intruders or hackers. Let's come to the computer screen. Here is the interface of our WordPress. Actually, there are a number of ways to secure the WordPress website. I recommend a plugin like All-in-One WP Security. You have to click plugin and then you have to install All-in-One WP Security plugin and then activate it in your website. After installation, you will find the option here, WP Security, and when you will mouse over this option, you will get more options in flyout. Let me go through this plugin. Open the dashboard. You can see a watch here which is showing some progress that how much your website is secured. If you got more number, it means your site is more secured. This plugin allows us different type of securities mechanism that we have to adopt, and when we will adopt a security mechanism, then it will give some number and the progress bar of our strength go higher. Let's see in the setting area. You will have different sub options like HT access, WP config, delete plugins, and WP version, import export, advanced setting. Let me go in this option. Here you will find that if you will take care of this remove WP generator meta info, then you will got 5 points. Let me check this and save setting. Actually, this option will not show your WordPress software info to public. Now you have to save the setting. In the same way, I'm going to other settings like user login. In the user login, you can see enable login lockout features, lockout features, and you will find more options here. And when you will check this option, check this if you want to enable the login lockout features and apply the setting, and then save the setting. You will got 20 numbers. Let me move some other categories of securities here like user registration. If you will enable manual approval of registration, you do not want your clients or customers to automatically become a registered member, then you have to check this and save setting. Now you can see that we have got 20 by 20 in this category. Let me move some other like brute force attack. WordPress login is actually a first step for intruders or hackers to hack the website. So it's very necessary that you should change the common used logins like WP-admin or test or something like that which is easy to hack. Check this and use. Let's select some hard to remember text. Save setting. Now you can see that I have got 10 by 10 in this point. Go to a Cognito window and show you the result of this security. Previously, I was using login WP-admin. Now you can see a message not available. Then I will use this. Then you can see the login area has come. So this is a way to secure your website from hackers. There are a number of other things you have to take care, like spam prevention. In spam prevention, you have to click this captcha option and you will not receive any unwanted comments. Blocks spam bot for posting comments. I have enabled this also, and then you have to save the setting. So this is our today's discussion in which we learn a security plugin which help us to secure our WordPress website. Thank you very much for watching this short tutorial. Keep watching the next